I'm Farmer Meggie with Health Empowers, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own bean buddy in a bag. As you can see, this is a seed that I planted in here that has now started to sprout and grow its own roots, stem, and leaves. So you're only going to need a few things for this project that you can do at home. You'll need a plastic baggie with a Ziploc top, a paper towel, a bean or pea seed like this. I got mine from a bag of dried beans, but you can also use a seed packet or whatever you have at home. And finally, you'll need some water. I'm going to start by getting my paper towel wet using the water. Now I'm going to squeeze out the excess water and unfold it a little bit like this so that it can fit inside the bag. Next, I'm going to open my plastic bag and put the paper towel inside. Step 3, I'll take my pea seed and put it inside the bag with the paper towel. You can even use more than one type of dry bean or pea to see which one starts to sprout first. Okay, step 4, I'm going to close up the lid of my Ziploc bag. The last step is to take my Bean Buddy bag and put a piece of tape on it and tape it up to a sunny windowsill where it can get the sunlight it needs to start growing. After a couple of weeks, your Bean Buddy will look like mine, like this, where it has roots, a stem, and some leaves growing out of the pea. As we know, a plant needs 4 things to grow: sunlight, soil, water, and air. It mostly needs the water, which it will get from the paper towel in this bag, to tell the seed that it's time to germinate or to start growing. Good luck making your bean buddies, and until next time, keep on growing.